In this video, let's unbox the Asus TUF A15 gaming laptop, which is one of the best laptop under 80,000. So stick on to this video till the end. Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel after a long time. If you are watching this video on Facebook, please like and follow our Facebook page. If you are watching this video on YouTube, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such kind of videos. So in today's video, let's unbox the Asus TUF A15 gaming laptop. Also, I'll let you know the features and specs. And let's see what all do we get in the box with the laptop. Also, I'll be doing a separate dedicated video on the pros and cons of this laptop. The link for the same would be updated in the description box or in the comment section below. Now, if we open the box, this is what we can see. There is the laptop. For now, let us keep the laptop aside for a while and let's see what all do we have in the box. In here, there are some documentations relating to the laptop and a user guide for the reference. On the right compartment of the box, we can find a plug cable for the charger. On the left compartment, we can find the actual charger or the adapter to charge the laptop. This adapter looks good and is not bulgy. The adapter is of 180 watt and it might take nearly 1.5 hours or 2 hours to charge the laptop. On the back side, you can see the input and output in voltage and amperes. On the side, there is a glossy branding of Asus on adapter, which looks very good. Now let's directly move on to the laptop, which is the main subject of this video. The laptop has a very good design. The body of the laptop is made of a good quality plastic, which looks and feels solid and highly durable. Now let's fire up this baby. Talking about the specifications of the laptop, this laptop is equipped with AMD Ryzen 7 4800H processor with 8 cores, 16 threads and max turbo boost up to 4.2 GHz. It has a 15.6-inch Full HD display with 144Hz refresh rate and with a max peak brightness of 250 nits. This laptop comes with a graphic card of NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 of 4GB. It comes with a 8GB SSD memory of DDR4 3200 MHz. Also with this, there is an extra empty slot which can be used to expand the memory. This laptop has Wi-Fi 6 support and Bluetooth 5.1. It comes with a beautiful one-zone RGB keyboard which looks stunning in the dark. This laptop has a smart cooling system with self-cleaning and cooling technology. In the default, the laptop comes with memory storage capacity of 512GB and it can be expandable up till 2TB. Obviously, this laptop supports Armoury Crate, through which you can change the performance modes in this laptop and also control and change the RGB pattern of the keyboard. So this is it for this video. After using the laptop, I also felt some lacunae and things not up to the mark. So let's discuss all those things in the pros and cons video soon. So subscribe to our channel for more such updates and videos. Finally, don't forget to like, share, comment on our videos. Thank you.